guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we're diving into an inspiration video, and this is a collaboration with two of my friends here on YouTube and on Instagram. The first one being Sandra, and you guys have seen a little bit of Sandra's stuff, so I have done a product review on her makeup. Yes, Sandra has her own makeup company. It is called Classy Cake Cosmetics. So Sandra here on YouTube does a lot of makeup videos. She showcases her company quite a bit on her channel, and also she does some unboxings and just some like chit chat getting ready with me's. So she is a very well-rounded makeup channel. And the other person that I am collaborating with here, her name is Carissa, and it's like a mother-daughter team, and so their YouTube is very focused on makeup, beauty, lifestyle, unboxings. Like, there's a good variety on her channel as well. So in this video, Carissa was so sweet to ask me to collaborate with her, and she also asked Sandra, and so here we are, the three of us, and Carissa sent us some earrings, and all she asked is that we do a makeup look inspired by the colors of the earrings. And it came with a cute little note, and it says, "To Chip from Carissa, thank you for collaborating with me, heart." I love it. And thank you, Carissa, for asking me. So sweet of you. So here are the earrings. Absolutely stunning. I am obsessed with stud earrings. Like, I love them. And these are so vibrant, so beautiful. Lots of pops of pink, blue, purple. You got some green in there, some yellow. So if you're interested to see how I can create a makeup look inspired by these pair of earrings that Carissa sent us, then please stay tuned and let's get into this tutorial. Look at the earrings. I definitely had to pick a palette that had a good variety of color. Also, I wanted to make sure it had yellow and pink in the palette. So I'm gonna go with my Certified Tropical Wander palette. This baby right here is so pretty, very vibrant, and I think will pair really nicely with the earrings. So I'm really going to try and put as many colors that are on the earrings on my eyes, and I think just to like spruce it up a bit, we'll add some lashes and some white liner. But before we even get there, let's put some of this onto this to make it look like this. is the completed look. I added some white liner and lashes just to oomph up the look just a bit. And then of course I went in with a green lipstick because why not? Because it's me. You guys know I like my colors. And yeah, I think the earrings are so pretty. So thank you, Carissa, for sending me these, and thank you for initiating this collaboration. It was super fun, and thank you, Sandra, as well, for being a part of it. And before we finish off this video, I did also want to mention that Carissa had asked Sandra and I to do this video as a little giveaway as well, and just to give back to you guys for just being so loving and supporting in all of our YouTube journey, which I think is super sweet. So I decided to get a little brush set here. So this is the Sephora Collection Crystal Brush Set, and I thought this would be really just a nice simple thank you to someone who will win this. And I do appreciate every single one of you for just supporting me in this journey on YouTube and being a part of my family and just chatting with me. I really do enjoy meeting you guys and just seeing how you guys are doing. So thank you. And if you are interested in this brush set, when you comment down below, all you have to do is add a chocolate chip emoji. That is it. I will collect all of the chocolate chip emojis and I will pick a random winner. But feel free to comment even if you're not interested in the brush set. But I did also want to make sure that I put something little aside for this giveaway because Carissa asked us, and I thought that was a fabulous idea. So with that being said, that is all I have in this video. Don't forget to leave that chocolate chip emoji if you are interested in entering for the brush set. And yeah, let me know what you think of this look. What do you think of the earrings, the inspiration? And please don't forget to check out Carissa and Sandra's videos. I've left all their links down below. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for spending this moment with me. I do appreciate you and your time. And if you're coming back, thank you. I can't thank you enough. I really do thank you guys for continuing to support me and just showing me so much love. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.